Greetings, this is Kamishita from Kamishida's Corner and Sensational Touch, and I am packing an order. Just one order today. So I decided to do a video. Very simple way of packing my soaps. These are deli papers, by the way. They're a nice, clean way of packing soap with a material that is eco-friendly. And my table has ants. Oh, okay. I have an ant. Alright. We don't want ants on our table. This always happens in the summertime. I get... And I'm on not the ground floor. And we still have to deal with ants, even though I'm like 3 floors up. It's crazy. So I just take it, fold it in as if you're wrapping a gift. Very simple way. Now I do not work with the cigar bands that a lot of soap makers use. I have seen them and I do like them. And you could also get, eco-friendly paper that you can use for that. But I have not been able or had the chance to really design one that I like yet. So I'm using the deli papers in the meantime. So let's fold it nicely, put a square, and then I would normally take a card and just kind of tack that to the back. Now this is a 2-sided card. So I have a advertising for my YouTube page, and all my social medias are on the back, and on the front we have the soap ingredients and picture of my products. I'll put that on the front. I kind of just tack it to the front, and then I'll take ribbon and just cover it over. So I'll do a very simple, nothing too extravagant, but enough to be cutesy, so to speak, and a nice, professional look at the same time. But is price friendly as well as eco-friendly. Now, I would rather be using like a rope as opposed to this nylon ribbon. I was given a lot of this ribbon, so I use it, but I will not purchase any more when this is all used up. I have a lot of it that I was given by friends, so I'm going to use it. And of course, when it's all used up, I'm going to get something more eco-friendly. I will not be continuing to use this type of material. So I just pull it just to give it a cute little bounce. And there you go. And that's how I do it. So I'm just thinging my soaps. So this is lemongrass, and then I have 1 oatmeal milk and honey. So not much to talk about other than letting everyone know that I will be doing another soap making class, and I'm going to be doing a liquid soap making class. I know someone has been asking for that for a minute, and that's a class that I would not want to do online. So while I have planned to do some of the beginner soap making online, excuse all the noise. There's a lot of noise. I'm by my window, and they've opened the traffic up on the street by me again. It was closed to traffic, unless it was just local traffic, so it hasn't been too much noise outside. But now that the traffic is opened up again, this is a busy street that I live by. You can hear all the cars and trucks and a lot of noise. I need to do a video about what I liked about quarantine. What I liked about quarantine was all the quietness. Love that. The time to reflect and to think about what you're going to do next and where you're going next without so many distractions. That was a plus. Seeing families. Out in my area, there's like a section that's like really all houses, just all housing. It's called Kensington. I don't live in Kensington, but I live near Kensington. And it's like beautiful homes, like mansions over there. Not far from where I live. And no, I do not live in a mansion. But anytime I went back in that area, all you saw was the houses. Beautiful area, nicely manicured and sculptured. But you really never saw people. And with this pandemic, you saw people sitting on the beautifully kept lawns. You know, and that to me is what a lawn is for. Not for just to look good, but it's to be able to sit on a nice clean lawn without, dog poop all over it, and enjoy some time with your family. And that's what I've been seeing throughout the whole of the quarantine. Like people out enjoying the... Okay, these ants. Here's another one. I don't want to kill the ants, but... Okay, I have an ant issue, and I'm going to have to address it. And that's what happens in the summertime. And this table is right by my window. And I have some plants. My plants are growing so nice. My vegetable plants. The chard, the collard greens, I have basil, I have Italian peppers. The ginger has grown a lot. Yeah. What was I talking about? Oh, yeah, so the classes. There you go. See that? And there's a space where I can write the scent, which I forgot to do. Oops. That's okay. I can squeeze that in. So I have 3 lemongrass and 1 unscented oatmeal milk and honey that I am preparing to send out. And I really need to send this out today, so I need to go ahead and get this done so I can go to the post office to mail this out. Because that was my plan to send out today, so they can have their soap. Yeah, so I will be having more classes coming up. My Patreons will be having their herbal infusion class. We're going to be learning how to make oil-based herbal infusions. You can make herbal infusions with, they call them tinctures, with alcohol or with water. You can make them with cider. They call them different things when you use different mediums. But when you make an herbal infusion with oil, infusing the herbs in oil in order to draw out the medicinal property of that herb, they're called herbal infusions. When you use it, when you do that same process with alcohol, they call them tinctures. And I forget the name that they give it when you do it with apple cider vinegar. I forget. It's a specific type of name that they gave it. But we are going to be making oil-based herbal infusions. And then we're going to go into the second part of that on what you can use those herbal infusions to further make. Ooh! I hope you guys are hearing me because that is a lot of noise outside in these streets here. Okay, so those classes will be coming up soon. Patreons, that'll be coming up this month, before this month is out. Both of those classes will be announced. Well, the beginner soap making class will be announced before the, I gotta look into a date. That'll be good. But I'm gonna leave time to advertise. Oh, what's going on here? Advertise for that class. So it will not I will not hold the soap making class anytime soon, but I will be doing my herbal infusion class for my Patreons this month. As a matter of fact, that is going to be happening soon. I need to inform them and let them know. Hopefully, that would be good if I could do that this week. Maybe I'll get some responses. I have a group that I created for all my Patreons. And if you're interested in becoming a Patreon is a person who has decided to support what I'm doing, whether it be through making videos for children or continuing to build on making the videos that I do with the soap making. And they've decided to become Patreons by making a monthly donation. So my way of thanking them is through various different things. They get videos that are just for Patreons that I do not share with the public. It's just for them as a way of me saying thank you. And they get special DIY do-it-yourself classes that I give them, again, as a way of saying thank you. And there's different levels, so each level comes with its initial thank you. And then there's always thank yous that I like to give from time to time, just to continuously let them know that I appreciate them, because they are very much appreciated. They do not have to take their hard-earned dollars and give it to me to help support me in my endeavors, and they do. So I say thank you by giving them exclusive content and do-it-yourself workshops. Okay? So if you wish to be a supporter of me and what I'm doing, you can too by joining the Patreon family. And all of that information is in the description box below. So if you're interested, you could just check the description box, click on the Patreon link, and join at the level that is comfortable for, hey, oh, there it goes. Couldn't find the beginning. Join at a level that's comfortable for you. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, this is interesting. Where's the beginning? Oh, there it goes. I couldn't find the beginning of the string, the ribbon. And now it's all tangled. There we go. Alright, so we will be having a beginner soap making workshop. This next class will be an in-person class. If there's anyone that's interested in doing an online class, because maybe they may be out of the state, just have to let me know. And I am open to that. I didn't know about Zoom before, but I now have Zoom, so I can do that via Zoom. That way we could communicate with each other, and it's not just you seeing me and not being able to see and hear you. So we can do that via Zoom, and I can walk you through all of the steps of making soap in your own home safely and effectively. for pennies on the dollar. Some people ask me, why are you teaching people your secrets? And I'm like, I'm not teaching them my secrets. Because no matter how much you give somebody, they have to then do it on their own. And this stuff really is available online. But some people are just, you know, I need someone right there with me, walking me through it. So it's not like they don't have access to this information already. They do. But if you want to take a class where someone is there walking you through it, giving you that, you know, one-on-one, in-person type of energy and vibe, here you go. So these are the soaps, and I'm just going to pack them in the bag. Now I have two different bags that I might put it in. I'm not sure which one is going to fit in best, but we're going to measure it out. I did want to write on the soaps the scent. Alright, so I'm going to try it in this small bag. I think it may fit. We will see. Maybe not. Maybe not. Because I thought when I saw this bag that it was a little bit bigger than what it is. Yeah, I'm not going to get two next to each other. If I could have fit two side by side, which I don't think will happen, that would have been good. Yeah, so I'm going to have to use the bigger bag. If it was 3 soaps, I would have been able to fit. But 4 soaps, I'm going to have to put in here. I'll just have to kind of fold it over, because this is really too big, and that is too small. Fold that over some. Like that. And then I still have the area there to write the address. Okay, so I'm not going to write the address on camera, of course. Alright, so look out for my classes. It will be the beginner soap making workshop. Another one will be coming up. All you patrons out there, please look forward to that herbal class. I'm going to be letting you know exactly the day and the time this week. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload another video, you'll be sure to get it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye. Don't forget to comment and share as well. Goodbye. Thank you.